Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and helpful tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the capitalization of your text in Canva. Whether you want to make something all uppercase, all lowercase, or just switch things up for consistency, this trick will have your text looking perfect in just a couple of clicks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to toggle between different capitalizations inside Canva, which is a real-time saver for any design project you're working on. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Canva. You can do this in your browser or by using the Canva app, whichever is easiest for you. Just log in like you normally would. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can quickly make one for free, so don't worry if you're new here. Having the platform open is your workspace, and that's where we're going to get started. Now let's get into creating a fresh design to practice on. Once you're in Canva, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually up at the top right of your dashboard. Click on that and you'll see a few options pop up. For this demo, let's choose Custom Size. This is great because it lets us keep things really simple. Set the width and height to 100 by 100 pixels. It's a tiny canvas, but for practicing text, it keeps things super manageable and lets you focus on what really matters, seeing your capitalization changes in action without any distractions. When your new blank design pops up, we're ready to add some sample text. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see the Text tab. Give that a click, then select Add a Heading or any of the text options. Doesn't matter, just something to work with. I usually just double-click the text box that pops up and type in whatever I want to experiment with, like sample text or your favorite phrase. The point here is just to have some words ready that we can play with. Now here, where the magic happens, click on your text to select it. If you want to change all the letters, make sure you highlight or select all the text inside that box. This is an important step. If just part of the text is selected, only that part will change, so double-check you've got it all highlighted. With your text selected, look up at the toolbar that floats above your canvas. You'll see an option that looks like two A's sitting side by side, usually called the uppercase or case button. Click on that once and boom, all your text instantly becomes uppercase. It's such a handy feature if you've accidentally typed everything in lowercase or if you just want a punchier, more attention-grabbing headline for your design. But let's say you changed your mind and want everything back in lowercase or just want to compare how each looks. No problem at all. With your text still selected, give that same case button another click. Canva instantly switches everything into lowercase for you. No need to retype anything or mess around, just a simple click and you're in control. And that's all there is to it. In just a matter of seconds, you can switch your text from uppercase to lowercase and back again, right inside Canva's design editor. This is perfect for tidying up titles, fixing accidental mistakes, or just experimenting with different looks until you find what works. Don't worry if you don't see the change right away. Sometimes Canva takes a second to catch up, so give it a moment and you should see the transformation happen. If you found this tutorial helpful, definitely hit that like button to let me know. If you have any questions or there's something else you want to learn about Canva, drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.